So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to sell a stock here on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom and press on account. Make sure that your selected account is selected. So in this case, I have a cash account opened up, but this could be like a tax-free savings account or whatever the case may be. That is completely up to you. So once that is done, the simplest way over here would be to go down to positions to where it says trade and press on trade. Now once you're on this screen, so let's say for example you own, we'll just go Meta stock just like this. So Meta platforms as an example. Where it says side buy or sell, if it's green, it'll be buy. But if you press on sell right here, it'll be red. You can go ahead and limit sell or market sell, whatever the case may be. Type in the quantity that you're looking for. So if you wanted to sell, for example, 5 shares of Meta stock, the estimated price would be right here. You can press on sell and then go through the process that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to sell a stock here on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.